Amanda.
Hey, I'm Michaela.
Hey, I'm Autumn.
And hi, I'm Emily.
And we're Four Stripes.
So technically we're a group of 4 best friends, and we all love to sing, and 2 of us, me and Autumn, do chorus, and we thought it'd be a fun idea to just make a channel.
They aren't. and we're gonna be singing some songs. Like our first song's gonna be Cups, and then we're gonna do Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars and
Royals by
Lorde.
Yeah, like
Lorde, not Lori, Lorde.
She said Lorde.
Oh, Lorde. I thought she said Lorde.
and like we all
She's a wacko.
Yo, guys.
and we all like we're not professional singers. Like we don't do singing class, so we might not be the best.
And we're Four Stripes because we always wear these striped shirts.
And we're in a basement, so the acoustics aren't that great.
Yeah, we're gonna do it in the bathroom.
Because it sounds good. Yeah, that'd be really awkward though. She's in the bathroom, singing.
Yeah,
all
so
together. Hey guys.
so yeah, we just wanted to create
What'd you do?
Just keep recording. It's all good.
What?
so we just wanted to make this YouTube account to I don't
you
know.
guys are singing.
Yeah, and
Hopefully be discovered.
Oh yeah, and one more thing, we all love One Direction.
Woo! One Direction lovers, Directioner, peace, yo.
We're
Yeah,
gonna
so
watch
if you
today.
Harry's mine.
Niall.
Excuse me?
You traitor.
Excuse me.
Yeah, so guys, if you guys don't like
I
One
would come
Direction,
twice.
you're probably not gonna like us because we're in every video. We're probably gonna have to mention them just a little bit.
Babies. Well, thanks for watching this video.
Yeah.
Comment below and subscribe.
And tell us what you want us to sing.
Peace, yo, out. Love you.